The Greedy Mouse. One fine day, a greedy mouse saw a basket which was filled with corn. He wanted to eat it, so he made a tiny opening in the basket and squeezed in through the hole. He consumed a lot of corn. He finally felt full and also was extremely delighted. Now, he thought about coming out. He tried to come out via the small opening, but he can't. His stomach was full. He tried again. However, it was of no use. The mouse started weeping. A bunny rabbit was passing by. He heard the mouse sobbing. So he asked, "Why are you sobbing, my dear friend?" The mouse said, "I made a small opening and came into the basket to eat the corn, but now I am not able to go out through that same hole." The bunny said, "It is because you have eaten way too much. Wait till your stomach reduces back to normal." The rabbit laughed and went away, and that night the mouse slept in the basket. The next morning, his tummy had reduced, but now again he wanted to consume some more corn. He forgot about getting out of the basket, so he started eating the corn, and sometime his belly was really big once again. After consuming the corn, the mouse remembered that he needed to get out of the basket. However, again he could not. So he said to himself, "Oh, now I will surely move out of the basket tomorrow." Meanwhile, there was a cat passing by the basket. He smelled the scent of the mouse from inside the basket. The cat lifted the basket lid and saw a fat mouse, and the next second, the cat ate the mouse. Moral of the story: too much greed is always harmful.